Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL. And today is day 36 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is highest target under manager, and this question got asked in Salesforce. So let's see what is the question. So the question is identify the employees working under manager ID 13 who have achieved the highest target. Return each such employee's first name alongside the target value. The goal is to display the maximum target among all employees under manager ID 13 and show which employee or employees reach that top value. Okay, so what we have to do, we have a condition given here that for only manager ID 13, we have to find out those employees who have achieved highest target value. Okay, and then we have to return those employees along with their target value. Okay, so let's see the table given here. We have this table, Salesforce employees, and we have these columns where we have ID, first name, and the details about the employee and its manager ID. So we have to only check it for manager ID 13. So I'm going to put a condition here where manager ID is equal to 13. Okay. Yeah. So for this manager ID, we will be searching those employees who has made the highest target. We have a target column given here. Okay. So what we are going to do, we have to do it for all the unique employees. We have to find out how much target they have achieved, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do group by on employee ID. Okay. And then for that ID, I will extract first name because the ID is going to be common, right? Like all the ones will come together, all the twos will get together. And for ID number 1, the first name is always going to be same. For ID number 2, first name is always going to same, right? So for that ID, I'm extracting the first name and then the sum of the target. Okay. Yeah. Now let's run this. Let's name this as target and let's arrange it. Order by target DSC. Okay, in descending order. So we have these first name and this is the target value. These are the employees who have made the highest target, okay, under the manager ID 13. Now there are so many employees, but we have to extract it for the maximum target value. That is, the maximum target value here is 400. So we have to extract those employees who has reached this target value. Okay, and there are 3 employees given, Mickey, Steve, and David. So what we are going to do, we are going to rank these employees. Okay, so for that, we are going to use window function, which is called as rank. Okay, and then we are going to use over clause. And here we are going to write down order by sum of target in descending order. And let's name this as RN. Okay, let's run this. So we are getting the rank value. Here, if you see, all the 400 ones are getting 1. And then the third one is also getting 1. So this is starting from 4. If you do not want to see it like this, we can use dense rank. Let's run this. Yeah. So all of these are getting 1. Then for 200, it is getting 2s and so on. Okay. Now we have to extract those values where the RN value is 1. So what we are going to do that for, we are going to put it in the CTE table. So I'm writing with CTE as, then I'm selecting here, select first name, comma target from CTE where RN is equal to 1. Let's run this. So we are getting this value. So yeah, this is our output. This is what we are getting. These are the 3 employees who has made the highest target for manager ID 13. Okay. So now let's see the expected output. So our expected output is also matching. It is same, right? So now let's submit our solution. We have submitted our solution and our solution got accepted. So it is correct. So it is a simple question. If you know window functions well, you can solve this problem. So what we have to do, we just have to find for a particular manager ID who are the employees who had made the highest target. So for that, what we did, we first put the condition for manager ID 30, and then we calculated the target value of all employees using group by, and then we sum the target value. Okay, and then we put the rank of all those employees, and we extracted those target values where the rank was 1, and we got the employee's name and the target value. So this is how we have solved this problem. Hope you understand it. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.